This factory builds the biggest machine on Earth.
And these teeth here are the key. They chew through solid rock and move the material onto the conveyors.
This machine is built piece by piece over years.
And this is how the monster is born. It all starts with math and madness. Every bolt is planned before steel is cut. This wheel must survive impossible pressure.
Only the strongest design survives.
Now the real work begins.
Each weld carries thousands of tons.
Slowly, watch that left side. Easy now, hold it steady. All right, bring it up. Easy now, keep it level. Okay, all clear.
This wheel alone is bigger than buildings.
All right, bring it down slow. Easy now. Holds right there. Locking it in place.
The heart of the monster is ready.
Easy, easy. Hold it right there. All right, set it down.
Humans disappear next to this machine.
Okay, lower it slowly now. Watch the clearance on your end. Bringing it down, guide it in. Looks good, hold it there. Ready? Lift it up high. Okay, push it left. I've got it secured now.
Slide it into the bracket now. It's seated. Hold it steady. It now looks alive. This gear placement looks correct according to the schematic.
All right, I'm securing the bolt now.
The hydraulics are stabilizing right on target. See this readout?
Yeah, I see it. System looks green across the board.
The primary manifold stabilized. Are the auxiliary pumps online?
Affirmative. Integration successful across all parameters.
Shutdown sequence complete.
System offline. Test successful.
This panel here still has some residue. It won't hold the paint.
We'll have them re-clean it.
Make sure the coverage is even on that beam. We're getting it now. Looks good. A little higher on the left side. Hold it steady right there.
Copy that. Starting the spray now.
Is holding steady at 0.5 degrees.
Acknowledged. Check the rotation metrics on the secondary screen.
We're losing power to the rotary drive.
Initiate emergency shutdown sequence now.
Pressure looks good on the main hydraulics.
Confirmed. All green on the diagnostics report. Let's move on to the bucket assembly.
It is finally complete. The scale is absolutely breathtaking.
And the specs on the bucket wheel match the schematics perfectly.